This 2020 Palomino Puma 38 DBL is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, TV antenna, refrigerator, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, spare tire kit, air conditioning, stovetop burner, water heater. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.